For measurements, we have kept the machine unit in CPS mode. This you can change from menu to go to unit, select CPS, click on save, unit will be CPS. CPS unit will be. Now this is background reading. The source is kept away from the machine. Now detector is sensing the background. Okay. We have removed beta blocker. This is alpha blocker. The detector is without any cover. This is Americium 241 alpha source. Now I am placing my sensor near the source. You can see there increase in the reading on the machine. If you take it away, reading will go. If you take it near to this, the reading is coming. That means this is a source. Contamination is there. Now to check whether this contamination is of alpha, beta or gamma, first we will keep alpha blocker. Now by placing the sensor with alpha blocker, you will see there is no reading. If you remove it and place beta blocker also, then also no reading. It is same as the background reading. That means the radiation is of the type of alpha. It will only can detect without any cover, only with the sensor cover. Without sensor, without cover. This is alpha radiation. Now detector is in testing for a background. The beta source is kept here. This is strontium 90 source. This is strontium 90 source. Now to check the contamination, to check the radioactivity, I place the sensor without any cover near the source. I will see there are increase in the counts of the machine. As I am approaching the source, the counts are increasing. As I am taking it away from the source, the counts are decreasing. Now if I place the beta blocker and I'll take it near to the source, you will see there is a changes in the reading. That means beta is blocked with this cover. Now if you place alpha blocker and take the detector near to the source, you will see the increase in the counts. That means the beta is getting passed through the alpha blocker. So that's how you will come to know that this is the beta contamination. If you check with alpha blocker, if the readings are coming, and with beta blocker, if the reading is not there, that means that is beta radiation. No reading observed on the machine, or a less reading what we have seen. So this is beta radiation. This is how you get to know the contamination is of the beta type. Now we'll see about the gamma radiation. So now the machine is in the background testing. You'll see only 1 or 2 counts are coming. I place the cesium 137 source near the detector. This is cesium 137 source. Now my sensor is without any protection cover, without any blocker. So I'll take it to the sensor, you'll see there is increase in the count. And if I take it away from the source, there is no counts on the machine. See, now if I place the alpha blocker, still I am getting the readings. And if I place the beta blocker, still I am getting the readings. The readings have reduced, but still I am getting, it is more than our background, way more than background. That means the contamination is of the type of a gamma. So with both the caps, if the contamination or readings are coming on the machine, that means it is a gamma radiation.